QC Hydraulics is an ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturer of stainless steel hydraulic hose fittings, which meet SAE, BS, JIS, ISO, and DIN specifications. One-piece style crimp hose fittings and two-piece style hose fittings and ferrules both are available. Thread includes JIC, NPT, NPSM, ORFS, BSP, and metric. Material includes stainless steel 304, stainless steel 316, and stainless steel 316 Ti. Besides, material test certificate is available for each shipment. QC Hydraulics is your trusted partner of stainless steel hydraulic hose fittings.